Sign up to Tern Rewards through UAE Pass. Next, upload your tenancy contract as a PDF. Now add your payment frequency as agreed with your landlord or property manager. You are now signed up to Tern Rewards. Your landlord or property manager will review your request and approve it. Once approved, you'll be notified to add your credit card details in order to activate your tenancy payment subscription. The Tern app is filled with 200 plus merchants categorized for easy searching. Every time you make a rent payment, you will receive Tern points, which can be redeemed instantly for a voucher with the selected merchants. The Tern app also allows you to view your tenancy and payment details. For any support, we made the help icon easily accessible. Landlords and property managers can log into their free-of-charge web portal with their email address and password. Landlords will need to ensure their contact and bank details are up to date in the profile section. The portal has several pages that allow landlords or property managers to view their tenant details, along with any requests that are pending landlord action or tenant actions. The portal also allows the landlord or property manager to view tenancies and payment details and statement of accounts. Now that the tenant has signed up to Tern on their tenant app, we will see a request to pay with Tern in the landlord portal for review and approval. You can reject the request for one of three reasons: incorrect contract, payment frequency or contract details, or simply approve the request, which then notifies the tenant to activate their payment subscription. The tenant adds their credit card details through the UAE Central Bank Regulated Payment Service Provider page. Tern does not receive, track, or hold any credit card data, as this is held only by the regulated PSP for the safety and security of tenants. Once completed, the tenancy contract will have a credit card autopay subscription tied to it, which auto-charges the tenant the rent amount on every due date, as per payment frequency and annual contract amount. Both the app and the landlord portal will be updated once the credit card is entered, to reflect that the tenancy for the respective tenant is now active, meaning there is a credit card subscribed to it that will be auto-charged on every rent due date. Finally, let's look at a point redemption example. Tern points can be exchanged easily for a voucher at any of the 200 plus merchants. For example, we will now redeem 50 dirhams at Sharaf DG, which will send us the voucher instantly on the tenant email.